Hi, I'm Eddie from Toolden, and I'm here at the Paslode Service Center, and I'm here with Michael from Paslode, who's going to be showing us the latest nailer.
Thanks, Eddie. This is the COMBI Xi framing nailer, the world's first two-in-one tool where you can do framing applications as well as metalwork.
Michael, who would be the recommended user for this tool?
This tool is perfect for carpenters, roofers, and for general builders working on new build and renovation projects. Predominantly fixing framing nails, but also with the need to occasionally fix metalwork connectors. However, for heavy-duty users, we recommend the PPN XI, which can do up to 30,000 to 50,000 shots per year.
Can you describe the features and benefits of this tool?
World's first two-in-one tool, everything you need in one tool case. That means less van space being taken up for framing and metalwork applications. There's a quick release magazine and nose piece, meaning you don't require any tools to change between the two modes. When in framing mode, the tool can do such applications as stud work, joist, timber frame, and fencing as well. When in metalwork mode, you can do such applications as joist hangers, truss clips, and connector plates. With 105 joules of power, it's able to drive 51 to 90 mm framing nails as well as hardened twist nails. For metalwork mode, it is 6 times faster than hand nailing, with a nose probe self-locating for pinpoint accuracy, reduces fatigue and personal injuries, and allows for improved accessibility in hard-to-reach areas. We have a fast-charging, high-performing lithium battery that can do 200 shots in 2 minutes or 13,000 shots on a full charge, which equates to over 5 nail fuel packs. And our cold weather performance fuel allows users to work down to -15. So earlier you were able to use the tool for yourself, you did some firing as well as change the magazine. How did that feel?
I think it was pretty easy to go on and use it. Obviously the magazine is interchangeable, so all you have to do is just change the magazine between them. You don't need an Allen key, you just clip it on and you're ready to go.
So that's been the Paslode COMBI Xi framing nailer.
So if you want to get your own, grab yours today from tooden.co.uk.